Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the giveaway knife. I'm just gonna unbox it because we only have like one person, two people. I don't know. I'm just gonna unbox it right now. So I'm gonna get knife. See this one? Got my Colorado knife, spring loaded. Love this one. Go check out Knife Review. You'll be able to check out all my knives. So I'm just gonna do this. Just gonna cut right there. I don't want to hit the knife. Bro, are you watching your own videos, Spencer?
Just checking my channel.
So watching on his own videos. No wonder he has.
Wow.
No wonder he has
bro,
videos.
I'm just checking my channel, bro. I uploaded a video last night.
Okay.
Careful there, buddy.
Oh no, I'm gonna cut my finger.
I would have.
Oh yeah, we gotta tell the story of how you cut your finger.
Oh yeah, we'll do that later in the
Yes.
video.
Yeah. Please do. Story time with Brock. Well, I'm working on the double backflip progression video, which you guys didn't know about. I told you there was a surprise video that I was working on, and that's it. I'm working on double backflip on the trampoline. I could do it, it's just getting over the fear right now. So, comment down below on any tips. Oh, snap. Comment down below on any tips of how to overcome the fear. Oh, I like this. So first impressions on this. Great little knife. Man, I like this. I just got these two. I got the one with the teeth on it. So that's what I got. And then there's this for the giveaway thing. Just a single blade. I've already got a bunch of these. But I like the feel of the handle. Like, it's nice. Like, whoever's getting this is really lucky. No, I'm not. But this thing, I might go buy one of these. Brock, for my birthday, next week, 2 weeks, you gotta get me this one.
I'm too poor.
Or it's like $5.
I'm still too poor.
Okay.
You gotta save my money.
You gotta
for
go
other
get me
things.
like a nice knife at
Dude, I want to.
one of these
but
things. Oh, yeah. So my first impressions are, I love this knife. Like, person who's getting this is lucky.